So guys, today we're going to be making an Italian chicken and jasmine rice. So we have some Italian dressing, zesty Italian dressing, salt, garlic, onion powder, Italian seasonings, black pepper, a little garlic powder, and we're going to marinate our chicken in the dressing and spices for about an hour so it can soak in a little bit, and then we're going to just get ready to cook it and sear in the skillet. Okay, so we're just going to toss to coat it to get it all evenly coated, and so we can start our marinade. So we're just going to add some oil, and now we're going to pan fry our chicken and get it for about 10 minutes. So we cut up some red onions, some red bell pepper, and some garlic diced. And we have our jasmine rice. We're going to use 1 cup. Our chicken's all brown, so we're just going to toast our rice in the skillet. I took about any of the chunky pieces out of the oil that was left over and just used the same oil that was already in our skillet that we fried our chicken in. And then we're going to add our vegetables and just kind of toast the rice. We're going to add 2 cups of chicken stock or chicken broth. We're just going to add all the seasonings that we added to our marinade to taste, with the exception of the Italian dressing. We're going to return our chicken to our rice, and we're going to let it cook down. We're going to let it boil, and then we're going to turn it down to medium and let it cook on low for 20 minutes until the liquid absorbs. Okay, we're going to add a cup and a half of marinara sauce and allow it to keep cooking down until our rice is done and the liquid is absorbed. just gonna add some fresh chopped parsley. Okay, now there it is, it's done. And let me tell you, it was delicious. And you can just add a little Parmesan cheese to the top. It was a quick and easy meal and a little experiment for me, and it was good.